BJ with Junked Up, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to take plastic containers out of the recycle bin and make them into something pretty. First I cleaned my plastic containers, and then I cut the top portion off of the bigger container and gave it a little bit of a light sand just so that the edges weren't rough. Next, I gave both plastic containers a coat of white swan. Separate the plies of your napkin carefully so you're left with just the top printed portion of your napkin. I brush on a liberal coat of my clear liquid patina. For more videos, including a tutorial on decoupage, head on over to my channel, Junked Up, and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. For the bigger container, I chose to tear my napkin into strips and glue it down that way, but you could also use the napkin in its entire piece like I'm going to do on this one. So a single napkin didn't cover the entire container, so I dry fitted a second napkin and just tore off what I didn't need and then glued that piece down. Make sure you're gentle with your napkin and don't put too much pressure on your brush as you're gluing it down because these tear easily. Let both containers dry, and then I gave each one a second coat of clear liquid patina. I decided I wanted to add appliques to the tops of my containers to make them just a little bit more finished. So I'm using paper clay and a very old mold from Iron Orchid Designs. Using some wood glue to attach my appliques to my containers. Now to make that trim look pretty, on the larger container, I first painted with Carnival Red and then I used Golden Ticket. And on the smaller container, I used Farm Fresh, underneath Pennies from Heaven copper patina. For an aging patina, you could absolutely use Dark and Decrepit, but I didn't have any. So I made my own, and I used 1 part Dark and Decrepit dust plus 3 parts of clear liquid patina, mixed it up, and there you go. Make sure you have some water handy so you can take off a little bit of that patina if you feel like it's too dark. I finished up my trim work by applying Shipwrecked wax, let it dry, and then buffed it up. Jump on over to my channel, Junked Up, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on the DIY-aGoGo.